Welcome back to Lon's Rods. Powering through the snowstorm here, and I got the intake, valve covers, coil packs, new spark plugs, water pump, and intake all buttoned up. So waiting on that crank position sensor pigtail that I broke off. So waiting on that. Got the old one here, which I could solder some nibbits on there, but throwing a new one on. So yeah, then I'm going to drop the oil pan and see what surprises are in there, because the timing chain blew on this thing. Like and subscribe to Lon's Rods. Have a good one. Later.